Yizzo, what's up YouTube? Thanks for watching another episode of God Stuff. So today, I just got off work, it's like 5 o'clock, around 5. I just ride over to the county, Havertown. Ride to the little park, see what's going on over there. We ain't doing too much today. So y'all can ride with me over there. We could see what's going on that side of town. See what's going on that side of town, man. What we gonna do today? My young boy, with the 2TO, Isaac, his bike down right now, so said he gonna hit me up when he get his bike back working. I know he told me he was trying to get an RTR. I think everybody trying to get an RTR. I know for sure, that's my next move. RTR, EMT, can't go wrong with them. Can't go wrong at all. I just need more torque out of this bike. It's like, once you lose power, it's hard to keep it up. It's hard to keep him up, but you just gotta know what you're doing. I think I'm gonna cross right here. Let's see. Oh, it got slippery right there. I played myself. It got a little slippery. It got a little slippery. We're gonna cut to 7-Eleven. Oh. Heard something that sounded like accident. Oh, calm down. Calm down. On this side, it get a little hectic, man. Cops be on, be a little bit more strict. When we used to get into shit, we used to just run from Overbrook Park over to this side. The cops would stop chasing us. It's like crossing a border, kinda. But that used to be the good thing about that. Cross over to the next light. Do some sideway riding. I gotta get some more seat time in, man. I've been BSing around, so I haven't really been getting more seat time in. But I'm gonna start riding more, start making more vids, man. Get the people what they want. I hope this is what they want. Y'all wanna see me riding around making vids? I hope so. That's what we doing. That's what we doing. If I can cross over, come over. Right back on the sidewalk with it. Right back on the sidewalk with it. I thought this joint had a bike lane. That's not. See, if I had the EMT, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get the light. I ain't gonna pay 3 bands and get the 72 volt. We'll do the 60 volt like this one. And I'm gonna let my homies, ride this. Getting my friends to do stuff with me is like pulling teeth, I swear. It's like, I swear that. It's like, I'm tired of this kind of because I'm losing power. I can be wheeling way longer. But it's just something about like once you lose that power, it's a wrap. So, I don't know. I'm gonna ride up here, see what's going on. See what's going on this side. But it's pretty nice out here in these neck of the woods. Come on, get it up. Try and keep it up. better. That was a little better. Let's go over here. Let's see what's over here. I really don't go off road like that. I ain't gonna go too far. So I ain't got the best of the chain. Yeah. On the road again. Little traily trail. On the road again. Where did this take us? Where did these take us? Alright, cool. There we are. Alright. Light version. Yeah, I want to get the light version because I'm not in the budget of spending 3 bands right now. That's not in my budget, so I can do 2 bands. Grab that joint in like October. This bike, I'll slap the little big kit on there. If my son want to ride it, then I'll give it to him, or my brother or somebody. If not, we'll figure it out. But let's see what's back here. Doing a little exploring. But yeah, if my brother want to ride, I'll let him rock out. I'll let him rock out with it, but other than that, I'll probably just get the ETM RTR, I hope I'm saying it right, the light. Get the light version, and I'll be cool with that. Do 45, 60 volt. That's cool with me, man, I promise you. That's all I need is about 60 volts. That's what I got right here, 60 volts. And this, I'm fun, it's fun. I just would need more torque, more speed. That's all I need. And I promise you I'm good. I promise you. We used to come over this neighborhood and shovel when we was kids because they paid the big bucks. They paid the big bucks. And probably like around 5:30, 6 o'clock now. My girlfriend getting off work, so I'm gonna go home, chill. Oh, I was watching that Superman movie last night on this app I got, so. I'm gonna finish watching that. See what that joint hitting for. It was pretty good, what I had got to. I was mad. Fell asleep on it, but that's all good. Stuff happens. Come on so I can get across. Stuff happens. But yeah, man. No endos. See now, I can slow walk this joint. Like this joint, so more of a slow walk, or you gotta catch the throttle response on it. The throttle response on it is like horrible. I swear. I don't know how many times I keep saying it, so I know y'all probably like, just grab the damn little big kit. And you're right, I just need to, but I be having other expenses. I got a 17-year-old son, 14-year-old daughter, and they not cheap. They like Balenciaga, Fendi, Prada. They like all that type of stuff, so I gotta make sure they straight. Then I'll make sure I'm straight. I can go play with my little stuff. But until then, get them out the way. So all September, that's all me. So I'll be able to grab my RTR light from Electro & Co. I'll be able to pop out, man. Have my homie on this joint. Yeah, I hear some clinking around, so I probably gotta just strap the battery. What I'm probably gonna have to do. Strap the battery up and just tighten up some bolts and nuts, shit like that. Tap up some bolts and nuts. You know the schoolyard real quick. This dickhead behind me. Like, I'm cool nigga, but don't do dumb shit. Alright, so I know what it is. I'm putting my finger on the back brake by accident. Every time I'm like, I need to, because I'm just used to having my finger coasting over the brake, like a foot brake. You just have your foot coasting over it, but I'm actually tapping it and it's like knocking me down. So I gotta chill on that. I think I can. Let's try to get this whole schoolyard. If I can get this whole schoolyard, I'm a heavy man. We gonna try right now? One try? Let's see, y'all. By the way, I'm dirt bike Mike. Let's concentrate. Nope. See, when I talk, some dumb shit happens. So we're gonna try it one more time, try to get the schoolyard. If I get the schoolyard, I'm a happy camper. Let's see if we can get it. These are those chairs. Come on, man. I need some motivation. So my young boy's not out here. If I had somebody else on bikes, I'd be able to do it. I'd be able to get the whole schoolyard. We're gonna try one more time, man. Whole schoolyard, y'all. Let's try one more time. I can do it. I can get to those trees. I lost power. Y'all see how I lose the power? Damn, I thought I was going. Let's try one more time. Come on, let's get to that wall, Mike. Get to the wall. Come on, Connor G. Come on, Saranster. Come on, Grommy Bear. Give me some tips. Hit me up. Give me some tips, man. I ain't used to this finger braking throttle. I'm used to foot braking throttle. And getting over there, you know what I mean? Come on, I'm going. Oh no! Damn, I almost had it. We're gonna try it one more time, and then if I can't get it, then I try, guys. You know what I mean? Y'all see me. I'm out here trying to put in the foot time, seat work. Nope, hit the brake. Like, oh my God. Well, man, y'all know what it is, man. Y'all know what's popping. Thanks for watching. Like always, like and subscribe. And I see you guys next time. And we out of here.